Good morning, 10%ers. Thursday, July 26th. We are looking at two stocks. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. You can find us at tradingescapes.com. AWX and SVU are on the watch list for this morning. We've got about 1 minute to the bell. We've marked off our pre-market levels, checked our daily charts, and we have set our orders ready to go. So now we're just waiting to see what kind of action we can have this morning. AWX looks fairly good on the pre-market. A little bit of a sell-off coming into the morning here. SVU, not sure what was going on with SVU. SVU is a reverse split. I mean, it gapped way up, parabolic, and just flatlined. Just went nowhere. All right, we're gonna let the first minute run. We're just gonna jump on here on AWX. We're going to let the market settle down just a little bit for us here. Let the first minute run. We're getting a short signal. Breaking down through that consolidation point of free market and breaking down to VWAP. Coming down through our 50 EMA, heading down to the 100 EMA. VWAP sitting at 472. What we'll look for is a sell-off here in this first 2 minute candle. Bounce off of oversold VWAP RSI, and then we'll look to take some profit. A little waiting game here. It'll take a few seconds. Hope everybody's had a good week thus far. Lots of green days. Hope everybody's looking to close out the week green today and Friday. See how much more we can add to the till. How much we can take out of the market. My idea here is to trade better. But let's come out green as well. We're running our first 30 strategy. First 30 minutes, 8:30, 9 o'clock Central Time, 9 to 9:30 Eastern Time. Still just breaking down. We'll check out SVU. I don't think nothing's happened there. Not a whole lot on the gap scanners this morning, so I hope we can make something happen with AWX here. All right, we're getting a bounce off the bottom. We've got a signal there. We're going to look to pull up into VWAP. All right. So VWAP sitting at 71. Get a little bit of volume coming in. Let's see. I'm going to jump in there right under VWAP. We're waiting for the pop. Go ahead and lock in that profit for the morning. 833 on that move right there. Let's see what else happens here. I don't think I'm not going to look for any sort of reversal off of that to go short. Let's let it settle down for a minute. Breaking back down below VWAP. I'm gonna see if we can't jump back in here. Let's take this order off. Get it ready here. Pulling back up. $1,700 for the morning. Okay, we just locked in 21. We're going to set this stop up here. See if we can run a little bit more. Alright, sitting in about 2,000. Breaking back below VWAP again. See what happens when this next candle form. We'll take a pop, well, then just pop right over. May have missed that. We're back in. We're jumping out of there. Looks like it's pulling back. All right, we're going to give it a second to recover. We need to let it rest for a minute. Pulled $1,500 out so far. This field we're getting a little bit greedy. We could be wrong and it could run, but I'm going to wait for it to, I'm going to see it do a pullback. SVU is doing nothing. Had lots of little spikes up over VWAP, but it's kind of consolidating right there. Let's see it have a pullback. I'm just going to break this pre-market level at 75. I think it needs a rest. Waiting for it to pull back the other direction. And there it is. Let's see what we can make happen. We got one. Alright, so got a couple extra $100 there. Oh, and we missed it going the other direction though. That's unfortunate. That's alright. Up to 1,700. 7 minutes in. I'm gonna wait for. Gonna wait it out now unless we break pre-market highs. Pre-market highs are sitting at 93 up here. I will jump in for a break of pre-market. Okay, now we're having a pullback. Grabbed a couple extra $100 and we didn't have our entry set up right there. That's all right. We pulled $200 out. All right, we're going to wait for a pull off of this pullback, a surge. I'm looking to come up to VWAP there. It's running down now. Getting extended to the downside. Still sitting mid-range RSI. Not even close to the VWAP oversold. Let's check SVU real quick. SVU is sitting still. Honestly, I'd like to see AWX rest a little bit here. Go ahead and pull back a little bit further and then make a surge up. Still haven't tackled the pre-market high. There it is. Probably should have anticipated a little bit of short there, but we're sitting at $1,900 profit for the morning. I'm going to just wait it out until we have a nice strong signal bottom bounce off of VWAP and RSI. And that will probably, we'll see what we can lock in. So it's down at 445. Take a look at the 5-minute chart real quick. So in the 5 minutes, just been selling off all morning. Which is interesting because on the 5-minute, if we have a good reversal off the 5-minute and have a surge up, we could break those pre-market highs. So this next entry, we are going to protect that last profit target. We'll let our first two profit targets run normal, but our last profit target, if we can get to it, if we don't have a quick pop, we'll pull it up, pull a stop up, and just kind of trail it. Still breaking down. Let's see if we can't get a little something on this breakdown. A little something. We got $200 taken from us. What we got? It's all right. There, it's going to pull back down, isn't it? All right. Well, that's what I was looking for. Just got a little fearful. Stopped out too early. We had a flash right there. There it is again. We're sitting at 460 for an entry. I like to see it make a nice strong run. Get that 5-minute chart looking better. Look at the 5-minute chart's just been selling off. going to pull back up for us, or do we need to get out of here? It's making a surge. We're following that 50 EMA. We put our, I'm going to go just above it. Alright, we're in. Pull this up a little bit. Pull our stop down. We're in the green. And there we go. It's going to pop here in a second. Need some volume coming in. It's breaking down, it's giving us, testing us, making us earn it. It's okay, we're still green, we're up $1,000 for the day. It's locked in that profit. Taking a little bit of risk. You gotta take some risk. Our first profit target right under VWAP and a couple cents over VWAP. I definitely don't want this candle to start breaking down, so we need to break above that 50 EMA. There we go. Need to be looking for some volume to come in though. That's what's killing us now. And maybe this would be a $500 green day, I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I really don't want it to break down underneath this 450 level. And as soon as I say it, where does it go? Straight to that 450 level. It's just not showing us any strength. Got some volume coming in though. It's stopping people out. Market's taking back some money. Gonna have to do better than that to stop us out though. A lot of volume in that last candle. How much more longer are we going to be able to play this game? Now it's making new lows now. The 5-minute candle. This is a huge sell-off. We're really extended here. And maybe it's just going to break down all day long. just really hasn't broken over the 200. I'm getting a little bit of a surge now. Volume's coming in a little bit. Just keeps coming up, tapping that 200 moving average right here. Ten minutes left in the day, or in the first 30. May have missed the best part of it. So we're up 399. 10 minutes left. Just couldn't hang on to it any longer. All right, pop back up to 1,000 for the day. Should have held on to it just a little bit longer. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's all right. We're coming off green, and it's going to break pre-market highs too. It's going to get halted. It's just halted. So it's on a halt now. So we are. Well, let's wait a second here. Well, let's wrap it up. We'll wrap it up. Up 1,999.89 wow, how disappointing. We were what, 30 seconds away. We got out of that one position, got into the next position. If we'd have been still holding this, we would be up. What would we be up? About 6-7 grand right now. Of course, we'd be in a halt. We don't know what's going to happen after the halt. But I'm going to end this video for the day. It's a good day. It's green. We're up almost $1,100. I hope everybody else is green and everybody's in the 10%. Again, this is Michael with Trading Escapes. You can find us at tradingescapes.com. Thank you, guys.